Cape Coral Police Department. The reason I stopped you is you're going 70 in a 50-mile-per-hour zone.
What starts as a simple speeding stop quickly turns into a tense standoff. Officers say the driver was doing 70 in a 50, but instead of providing ID, he challenges the stop and refuses to cooperate. With supervisors arriving and warnings piling up, this encounter is heading toward a dramatic ending.
Speedometer and fuel gauge, as you can see, it's not 8 on 8.
Okay.
It's like almost a full tank.
You were going way above the speed limit, over 20 over. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Well, I'm not driving. I'm traveling. So driving is like you're operating in a car.
3205 Cape. Can I get a code? Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
No, I'm not driving.
I'm not asking if you're driving. I'm asking for your ID.
Well, I mean, I'm wanting to know if I've committed a crime.
All right.
It's not letting
I
me know
stopped you because you were going 20 over the speed limit. I don't care if your speedometer is not correct. I want to see your license.
No, I don't use a license. I'm not.
So you have nothing to identify yourself?
No, I don't use driver's license. I'm not driving. I'm traveling.
What's your name?
Means you're operating in a commercial
What's your
capacity.
name? What's your name?
I'm not driving.
You are operating a motor vehicle on a roadway.
Automobile.
What's your name?
I'm not driving.
What is your name?
Can you please prove to me that I
You are in the driver's seat of a vehicle operating on a roadway.
Can you prove to me or tell me a reasonable articulate suspicion that
All right, so go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. Step out of the vehicle. Yes, you have, sir. And you're failing to identify yourself, and you have to have a driver's license to operate a motor vehicle on a roadway in the United States.
But I'm not driving, I'm traveling.
You are driving, driving, whatever you want to call it, you are operating a motor vehicle.
No, this is not a motor vehicle, this is a traveling shuttle.
Sir?
It's an automobile.
Sir, I'm not going to play games with you. You can identify yourself.
Notice how the officer keeps returning to one issue: identification. The driver wants to debate legal definitions, while the officer is focused on enforcing traffic laws. At this point, neither side is moving toward a resolution, and the tension is only increasing.
I'm not trying to play games with you. I'm willing to cooperate with you. Please.
I'm asking for your name.
Can you please give me a supervisor?
I'm asking for your name. There's no reason for a supervisor to come out here if you can't identify yourself. I'm asking for you to identify yourself. If you identify yourself to me, I'll ask for a supervisor to come out here. I can't ask for a supervisor for someone who won't tell us who they are.
Please do not violate my rights and escalate.
I'm not violating your rights. You are disobeying the law. You are disobeying the law.
I'm telling you
have to identify
driving.
yourself. You are driving 70 and a 50.
This does not work.
It does not matter, sir.
Can't it just work
Sir,
on this?
it does not matter. It does not matter if your speedometer is incorrect, then you're operating a vehicle that does not have the proper equipment.
This is not a motor vehicle.
It is a motor vehicle.
This is a traveling shuttle.
By definition, this is a motor vehicle.
Motor vehicles are commercial.
Sir, I'm not going to argue with
vehicles.
this. I'm not going to argue with you about it. You can identify yourself, or you're going to go to jail tonight. Do you understand me?
Are you coercing me to cooperate
I'm not
with you against my better
I'm
judgment?
not forcing you to do anything, but I will if I have to. You can identify yourself. I'm recording too. Go right ahead. Sir, you were driving 70 and a 50. I'm asking you to identify yourself and provide your paperwork for your vehicle.
Can you give me a reasonable, articulable
I just
fact
did.
that I've committed a crime?
I just explained to you why I stopped you, and that is a crime. Driving 20 miles over the speed limit
That
is
not
a crime. It is.
That is a
It is a
commercial
violation
traffic
of Florida state statutes.
Yeah, but those statutes don't have jurisdiction over me. I'm a
Yes,
man
they do.
traveling.
You can identify yourself, or you're going to go to jail tonight.
You're coercing me. You're coercing me to do something that is in
Sir.
cooperation with you against my better judgment. That is coercion.
Sir.
Anything that I do from this point forward is because I'm under the threat of
I don't care how you feel about it. You need to identify yourself.
So my understanding right now is that she's saying that you're traveling above the posted speed limit. Is that what my understanding is? It's to me, it's the same thing. So if it's okay. Okay.
Those that make the laws shall obey the laws. That is what you're welcome to.
I understand your...
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Okay. Well, right now you're in the city of Cape Coral, right? Okay. Hang on. So everybody within our jurisdiction is our jurisdiction. I understand your belief is different, okay?
I can't hear what you're saying.
The supervisor takes a calmer approach here, trying to explain that personal beliefs don't override local laws. Multiple chances have already been given to resolve this peacefully, but the situation is getting closer to a point where officers may have to take action.
Roll down your window and maybe I'll be able to hear you. I can't hear you with traffic behind me and your window only open this much.
Can you please prove your jurisdiction?
You are in the city of Cape Coral. Yes, it does. You are in the city of Cape Coral. Even if you weren't from the United States, if you're in the city of Cape Coral, I have jurisdiction. All right, sir, are you going to step out of the vehicle?
Okay. The supervisor. And that's where you
Supervisor is on the way, but at this time you need to step out of the vehicle or I'm going to break the window. It's not coercion. I'm giving you a lawful order.
I've asked to speak to you,
Sir, you can either step out of the vehicle or I'm going to break the window.
Well, that would be a violation.
It would not be a violation of your property because you're failing to cooperate with law enforcement.
I would have to seek compensation.
I'm Officer Myers. I work for the Cape Coral Police Department. I work for the city's traffic division. Senior officer on this scene. Okay? Unlawfully pulled over. Okay? We've asked you to identify yourself. If you fail to identify yourself, it's considered a criminal offense. It's an obstruction of justice. You're looking at him right now. Yes. What can I do for you? Your obstruction of justice is right now. You are violating the law. I will not answer any questions until you identify yourself. If you do not identify yourself, you will be arrested for obstruction of justice. You are detained. You are lawfully required to identify yourself. Provide your identification now, otherwise it will be a criminal offense. All right. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. If you do not open your vehicle, I will break the window and extricate you from this vehicle. Do you understand me?
And there it is. After repeated warnings, officers follow through and break the windows to gain access. Whether you agree with the driver or not, this outcome was clearly telegraphed several times before it happened.
I told you.
I just broke my window.
Want open?
Break this front one.
Lock it, otherwise I'm gonna break this one.
Use a driver's license. I'm traveling.
You are required to identify yourself. I've asked you to identify yourself, you refuse.
Can you prove your jurisdiction over me?
Okay. Break this one. Watch out, I'm gonna break it.
Look, there. These are criminals. Yes.
Hand on the steering wheel. Get out now.
Get out of the car.
I'll be getting hands behind your back. Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
We got him. That didn't have to happen.
You just violated my rights.
So,
I've asked for you to give me a reasonable articulate suspicion that I've committed a crime.
Spread your feet.
you have anything on you you're not supposed to have?
No.
You have anything that's going to poke or stick my officer? Or me as you're searching? You're under arrest.
For what crime?
Obstruction of justice.
That is not a crime. That is not a crime.
Feet spread
You are
apart.
operating under the color of law right now. That is not a crime.
Stop pulling away.
He is pulling me this direction. This is not a crime. Those are my children in there.
Well, you're going to quickly find it. Or the law.
You're operating under the color of law. You are operating under the color of law.
Face me, face the
You
vehicle.
committed a crime.
Face the vehicle.
Those are my children.
Now,
I did not
Get
consent.
in the vehicle.
I did not, and I request for someone to be able to come and
Sit down.
operate my automobile.
Sit down.
I did not consent to searches. I require someone. I require to be able to contact someone. I require to be able to contact someone to
Okay,
come and get my
let's
truck.
get in. Okay.
Get in.
Hop in real quick. Come on, get your feet in.
Get in. Face the front.
In the end, a speeding stop escalated into an arrest because the driver refused repeated orders to identify himself and exit the vehicle. It's a reminder that roadside arguments rarely end the way people expect. What do you think? Did the officers handle this correctly? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoy real-life bodycam breakdowns, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.